Good evening, everybody. Myself Akanksha Sanjay Taide. I am student of AD Sir's English speaking classes. I am current student of this class, and I am doing BSc first year BSc nursing at Pune. So today, my friends, you are going to move in the next stage. And the round today is comparison between the doctor and the teacher, means why they are important for the society both. So I think everybody has special place in their work, in society, in the world, in their life, and everywhere. So both are important, because we can't compare the sun and the moon, because they both show their qualities when it's their turn. So this you should remember always. So I think both are important. Teachers are important because they guide us at every time. Our first teacher is our first teachers are our parents. So when the child is means when infant born, that's time he means whenever he is going to develop, that's time at every stage their parents guide them. And after that, when the child or the when he start to go in the in the school, that's time the teacher is important in his life, because every time parents can't observe the child. So that's time teacher are important for him, for means for teaching them what is good and what is bad. So this is the importance of teacher. And on the other hand, we will see about the doctor, that doctor is very important, because whenever you have any little injury, illness or anything, so that same teacher, that same doctor will treat you. This work can't be done by the teacher. Just take an example that you are preparing for the NEET, and it is said that whenever you are preparing for NEET, you can do everything. And whenever you are practicing for the doctor, that's time you can do anything. But means you can't means directly you can't practice on the people. So this is the importance of doctor, that a student doctor can't directly give treatment, because suppose there is a nurse, and she's just a student nurse can't prescribe anything, or can't make any intervention for the ill person. This is the means this is the work of the doctor, to prescribe anything or to make any intervention and implement it. So this is the importance of doctor. And if the any teacher is teaching you about the means if he is teaching you that just take an example that if the person is suffering from any injury or any disease which is such as chronic illness, and the teacher is telling that these are the interventions you can do for treating that particular disease. So the teacher only can give you knowledge, but the actual person who is going to perform it is only the doctor. If you are doing the work of doctor, then you are means it is the work you are doing illegally, which is very harmful for your career also, and for the person also, or suppose for the patient also. So this is the importance of every person for that particular thing. And means any person can't do work of any other person, because it is based upon their knowledge, their study, their experience. And that's time only he can do that work. So we can't compare them, and both are important for the society, because teacher means firstly our teachers guide us for doing anything, means they teach you the difference of good and bad, good and evil. So this you learn from the childhood. So this is important for you. And if the teacher is good, then he is contributing for developing the country. And if the doctor is good, then it is very good for our nation, that the doctor is contributing for making our nation healthy. So these are both important for means these both are important for making our country to grow in a healthier way. So this is the importance of the doctor and the teacher. Both are important. And if you took the example like other then a teacher. If a teacher is not only about the means not suggesting you for any formal decisions, means sometimes if the teacher is good, then you can share your personal problems with them also. And if the teacher is good, if he has any sympathy for you, so he can treat means he can give you solution for that particular thing. So this you should understand every time. Okay. And about the doctor, if the doctor is good, if suppose importance of doctor, then the nurses who work under the doctor, or we can say who works with the doctor, that same if the doctor is good and he is a good minded, good natured person, so that time he can means he is the source of that particular sister or the nurses to take experience from the doctor. Means whenever the doctor is sharing any tips for any particular disease, or for handling any particular means case, so it will be helpful for the nurses. So I think both everything, both person, means teacher and doctor, they should have good mind, good natured, and always good intention for contributing for the society. This is very helpful for everybody. So teachers help us in everything, and doctor plays their role in making society healthy. Both means they cannot interchange their role for contributing to any to nation, or for helping any person. Suppose if the teacher means teacher if you are sometimes some common infection, viral infection a person is having, and that time if the teacher knows that yes, it is common viral infection, and it can be treated soon by taking any paracetamol or any antibiotic, anything. But means she can't legally prescribe you that you must do this. This only can be done by the doctor. So uh, both are important for treating any injury, and the teacher is helpful for guiding you at every point of your life. So these are the importance of the teacher and doctor for doing any means this is important for teacher and doctor to play their role very goodly for contributing to the country, and they must play it with honesty, because honesty is very important while doing anything. Because if a person is honest, then he is means he is self satisfied, and may be helpful for the others. So this is the importance of teacher and doctor. And I will suggest that we can't compare these both, because both have their particular places in the society, and both are helpful. So thank you.